Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase the lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. Take off the cover by pushing on the upper tab, then flipping it backwards. To unscrew the bulb, you must simultaneously push inwards and pull to the right. This will free the hook from the holding spur. Remove the electric power terminal for the dip beams by pulling on it. Pivot the hook downwards, then remove the bulb. When putting a new bulb back in, you must carefully check you put it in the right way round. Identify the location of the keyed connection, which can vary depending on the model. As you're inserting the bulb, you must hold it with one finger while another searches for the hook to slip it back into position. Then, simultaneously push and pull on the hook so that it is held by the spur. Reconnect the power terminal. To replace the high beams, repeat the operation conducted for the dipped beams. The steps are identical. Replace the cover. To replace the indicator bulbs, take the black plastic base and pivot it 1/4 turn to the left. This will let you take everything out. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a 1/4 turn. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. To reassemble everything, put it back in the position you used to take it out and pivot it 1/4 turn to the right. Operation completed.